Yes.
This question
From Abdul Rahman, I'm sorry.
Last time we allowed Abdul Rahman.
Achha.
So this question is from Holland. سؤالي إلى أمير المؤمنين لماذا يكفر الشيعة الخلفاء الأربعة من أهل السنة؟
Ask them. I don't see any reason why they should do it. Hazrat Ali accepted them. Why shouldn't the Shias of today? I've seen no reason, no sensible reason at all. So ask Shias and let me know what they say. If they accept this, that Hazrat Ali did do bad of the first three caliphs, then the problem is finished. Then if they object against anybody accepting them as caliphs, then the first objection should be raised against Hazrat Ali. You see? And they have to accept it, because this is exactly what both the Shias and the Sunnis believe.